Did you know that the hobby you enjoy every single day could be more than just fun? It could actually pay your bills and even become a steady source of income. Think about the things you already do for hours on end: gaming, cooking, drawing, photography, writing, or fitness. You spend time on them because you love them, but imagine if that same time also built you a steady stream of income. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform a simple hobby into a full-on cash machine, step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get started. Let's begin by talking about your hobby. The first step is really simple. Figure out what you love most. Write down a list of your favorite activities. Maybe you enjoy drawing in your spare time. Maybe gaming excites you. Perhaps you have a passion for cooking and testing new recipes. Or maybe fitness is your world. Out of all the hobbies you write down, choose the one that lights you up the most, one you could spend hours on without even realizing time has passed. That hobby is more than just entertainment. It's your potential business. Now that you've identified it, the second step is to transform your passion into content. Think about the millions of people who scroll through YouTube or TikTok every day. They are constantly searching for entertainment, tutorials, inspiration, or even just something fun to watch before bed. This is where you can step in. If you're into gaming, you can start recording your gameplays, walkthroughs, or highlight reels. Imagine posting a clip of a tricky level or a hilarious in-game moment. Gamers love that kind of content. If you're into cooking, you can share step-by-step recipes, quick kitchen hacks, or even show yourself preparing a traditional dish. For artists, uploading speed paint videos or progress reels can be incredibly satisfying for viewers to watch. The beauty of this is that platforms like YouTube and TikTok actually pay creators. With YouTube, once you meet their requirements, you can earn money through ad revenue. TikTok offers creator funds, sponsorship opportunities, and even affiliate sales. That means every time someone clicks play on your content, you're one step closer to turning your hobby into a business. And remember, content lives online forever. A video you upload today could still be bringing you views and income a year from now. The third step in this journey is to sell products or services directly related to your hobby. This is where the real transformation begins. If your hobby is art or design, you don't just have to keep your work in a sketchbook. You can upload your designs to platforms like Etsy or Redbubble and sell them as prints, stickers, or even digital downloads. Imagine creating a digital art piece once and selling it over and over again to buyers all over the world. If your hobby is cooking, you could package your recipes into an ebook and publish it on Amazon KDP. With Amazon, people can buy your book 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That means even while you sleep, someone across the globe could be buying your recipe guide. If you're into fitness, you could create workout plans or personalized routines and sell them on Gumroad. People are always searching for ways to get healthier, and if your method works for you, chances are it will inspire others too. But it doesn't stop there. One of the most powerful ways to earn from your hobby is by teaching. That brings us to the fourth step: sharing your knowledge with others. Teaching might sound intimidating, but thanks to online platforms, it has never been easier. Websites like Skillshare and Udemy give you the ability to upload courses and share your expertise with students all over the world. Let's say your hobby is photography. You could create a course teaching beginners how to use a camera, edit photos, or understand lighting. You record it once, upload it, and then every single student who enrolls pays you. For example, if you set your course price at $20 and 50 students sign up, that's $1,000 in your pocket, all from one course. The best part, you only make the course once, but the income continues as long as new students keep joining. Now let's talk about the ripple effect of combining all of these strategies. Imagine you are a gamer who creates walkthrough videos on YouTube. You also sell gaming guides as ebooks on Amazon KDP. At the same time, you build a course on Udemy teaching beginners how to play or master a particular game. Suddenly, you are not only making money from ads and views, but also from product sales and course enrollments. That's multiple streams of income, all from one hobby. And the more you scale, the more powerful it becomes. Another key piece of advice is to repurpose your content. Repurposing means taking one piece of content and using it in multiple ways. For example, if you record a full YouTube video of your cooking recipe, you can chop it into shorter clips for TikTok or Instagram Reels. If you write a blog post about photography tips, you can turn it into a script for a video or an infographic for Pinterest. By spreading the same content across different platforms, you multiply your reach and attract a wider audience. I also want you to think about community. Building a community around your hobby is one of the most powerful steps you can take. When you share your journey, your passion, and your expertise, you attract like-minded people. This community doesn't just consume your content, they support you. They recommend you to others, and they buy your products. Over time, your hobby transforms from something personal into something much bigger, a brand. And with a brand, you open doors to sponsorships, collaborations, and larger opportunities. It's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. Every big creator or entrepreneur you see online today started with small steps. The difference is that they kept going. The first few videos may only get a handful of views. The first product might only get 1 or 2 sales. And the first course might only attract a few students. But with consistency, patience, and a bit of strategy, those small beginnings turn into big results. Now let's wrap this up with a final thought. Turning your hobby into a cash machine in 2025 is not just possible, it's easier than ever before. Technology, platforms, and tools have made it simple to share what you love with the world and get paid for it. All you need is to take that first step, identify the hobby you love, start creating content around it, sell related products or services, and consider teaching others what you know. Before long, you'll look back and realize that what once was just a pastime has become a steady income stream. So, I'll leave you with the question: which hobby are you going to turn into your cash machine? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read what you're planning. And if this video inspired you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Coincrafts, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another guide like this one. Your passion has the potential to be your paycheck, and I can't wait to see what you'll do with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.